Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up Wi-Fi tethering from your phone to laptop. So first of all, go ahead to the settings and turn on the cellular data, right? And then under the cellular data, you're gonna see cellular data options, and you're gonna be able also to see personal hotspot. Go ahead to the personal hotspot and toggle on allow others to join, right? And basically what you're gonna do now, you're gonna just open up your laptop and click the Wi-Fi at the top, and then you're gonna be able to connect your iPhone, basically your iPhone connection or Wi-Fi to the laptop, and you're gonna be able to use the phone's data. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.